If you guys are looking for some baggy pants, you gotta check these out. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm gonna be reviewing Coofandy's utility cargo style pants. These are gonna be made with 100% polyester and they're super comfortable and they just look absolutely amazing. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium and I think these fit spot on. Very, very nice. We got the baggy look, we got the oversized look, guys. This is what everybody's going for right now and it just looks so good. Couple key features that I want to point out on this that make them so nice. We have on the waistband, we're gonna have full elastic. So kind of no matter what size you get, you're gonna have extra room and extra give. We also are gonna get these really nice drawstrings. These are gonna be made with a pretty cool looking fabric, pretty lightweight, and they dangle down low. So if that's your style to just leave these out hanging low, you more than can do that. And that's actually my style. That's probably what I'll do. You could also tie that up so it'll be under the shirt. You won't ever see that at all. So a couple different options that you have here. Check out the way that these sit over the shoes. Really nice, clean, 100% polyester, and it's almost like there's just no wrinkles in here at all. They just have that really nice look, and they're actually really breathable. If you're used to wearing like a jean or something super heavy, I have a ton of cargo pants that are made with a thick fabric, and they can be really hot on summer days. These are lightweight, breathable, and as you can see from the side, they sit over the shoes really nice. From the front here, they're definitely gonna have a nice baggy look. They're not gonna be too baggy, but you're definitely not gonna be wearing a slim fitted pant. These are gonna be trending. These are gonna be baggy. Everybody's gonna know. Now, we also get a couple cool features on the pockets here. We have side pockets on both sides in this position. Pockets are deep enough to hold a phone. I got my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and that goes down, nothing sticks out. It's totally in there, no problem. We also get these slanted pockets. This is more of like a style piece. I don't really see anything going in here just because it could fall out. It's not zippered or anything, but they do have a flap on the side here and it just makes it add to the style. It just looks cool. We also get these open utility pockets that are very deep down here. No Velcro, no zipper. They're kind of just gonna be open, which I like because it just gives it more of a look on the baggy side of that. It just looks cool. Also in the back here, we're gonna have one pocket and this is gonna be deep enough for a wallet. Let's see if the 17 Pro Max fits in there. Sticks out just a little bit here. I usually put my phone in my back pocket and I think that'd be fine. I love the way these feel on my legs. This fabric is super nice. Definitely lightweight, breathable. They come in a bunch of different colors too, so I was thinking about getting maybe like 3 or 4 of these just to have them in my arsenal, in my wardrobe, and do like some grays, browns, tans. This is gonna be the army green. I knew I had to try this one. It just looks so good, but I really like how it falls over the shoes and it just looks really nice. You can wear these with a high top shoe. You can wear these with flip flops. You could dress up or down with these, no problem. But for me, probably gonna just have the drawstring hanging down for a little bit of style. It's kind of like the streetwear, it just looks good. Overall, these are amazing. I absolutely love these. And if you guys wanna pick up a pair like these for yourself, I'm gonna have a link down in the description. So go ahead and check that out. I might even have a discount code in there as well, just to help save a little bit of your hard-earned money. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.